Hola, estudiantes. Welcome to another Spanish video lesson with me, Señora C. Hey, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Have you ever seen a Spanish word that has this other word L in front of it, but don't know what it means? Well, this word is called a Spanish article. Articles are words that point out nouns in a certain way. Let's look at the article L again. L means the, but it's not alone. The has a feminine form also called la. So L is masculine and la is feminine. They both mean the, and they both are definite articles because they point out specific nouns. Like the chair, la silla, and the clock, el reloj. But there's more to Spanish articles. There are also indefinite articles that point out non-specific nouns. For example, an apple in Spanish, una manzana. This is the feminine form. A masculine example, un árbol, a tree. So, you have a good understanding, Amanda? I thought so. But we're not quite done. Sorry, Amanda. Well, some nouns are plural. So articles in Spanish also have plural forms. Here are some examples. El libro, the book, becomes los libros, the books. La mesa, the table, becomes las mesas, the tables. Un vaso, a glass, becomes unos vasos, some or a few glasses. And una planta, a plant, becomes unas plantas, some or a few plants. And this concludes our lesson on Spanish articles. You made it through, Amanda. Until next time, hasta luego. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell.